component, an entity or a business activity for which a group or a compound management prepares a financial information that should be included in the group financial statements. So we should deal with this. What is saying? The entity or a business activity that which group for which a group or component management prepares a financial information that should be included in the group financial statement. So ABC is a company. Okay, this company has different segments. What are the segments? Segment A, that is do for software. Segment B, that is for that is production department. What production? Movie production, cinema. Section C, sales of ticket and publications, books. So now you see, you want to do the audit of the company. These will be different segment A, B, C. This is combinedly ABC company. A has software business, B has production department, and C is the sales of tickets and publication books. So when you see the component, each are different components, and each components are merged to become a big unit. So these profit and loss account of each profit and loss account will be combined to get that ABC consolidated financial statement will get. That's what we said.